Welcome back to another installment of Interior Grind, where we are grinding for good design. Today we're at City Gates at a D.H. Horton house. It's a small house, but it doesn't have a small price. And it's kind of a trap house. Well, not a trap house. It's near trap houses. It's actually a cute house. Let's go into the first room, which is a cute small bedroom that can basically just fit a twin-size bed. You could probably squeeze a full, but you would be squeezing. Alright, let's go to the left. There's my sister trying to steal my shot. So let's go into the first bathroom, which would be shared by these two bedrooms. It's basic tile, just very basic, with the continued floor. Oh hey, see my hand? Continued flooring from, the living space. But it's decent, it's gray, it's neutral. Let's go into this other small bedroom with, some molding on the wall. The stagers tried to add a pop of color. I appreciate that, but I don't appreciate that art on the wall. Like, they were doing the most. There's my sister again, trying to be the tour guide of the house. Ooh, I didn't see the laundry room. There it is. It's a sizable laundry room that fits a fake plant. Let's go on into the living space, where you will find a breakfast nook. No dining room in this house because it's kind of small, so this breakfast nook will have to do. Let's go into the open kitchen with Korean countertops. Who does that anymore? But if you're gonna pay $300,000 for a house, I would expect granite, not Korean. But they have enough shelving or cabinets, and they have some shelves that this is an open plan. They're doing this whole boho chic vibe / contemporary / mid-century, but they did a thing or two with the place. I could live here, just me alone, nobody else. It's too small for more than two people. It's a covered patio. You can dress that up, which they didn't, but you could if you wanted to. Let's go on into the master. Oops, can't seem to get that right. Primary bedroom. Again, they're following through with the boho chic / mid-century look. I think you could fit a king, but it might overlap into the windows. And who likes a bed that overlaps a window or is under a window? Not I. There's a wise one. Again, the bathroom is basic. It's doable. Subway tiling in the shower. No bathtub. That's a minus for me. Because a primary bedroom always needs a